The next construction that we're going to use is we're going to be given a line segment, in this case AB, and we have to construct a perpendicular bisector of the line. So not only will this line cut the segment in half, but it will also be perpendicular to it. And it's pretty simple. Step 1 says, adjust the compass to the radius length so that it is more than 1/2 the length of segment AB. That you have to be intuitive of. So you have to put the compass on either A or B. I'll use A. And you have to extend it so that it's more than 1/2 of the whole segment. You could tell that probably somewhere in here is half, so we are going to put it somewhere here. You can put it as close to the end as you want. Now, using that length and points A and B as centers, you're going to construct a pair of arcs above and below AB. So from A, we're going to construct an arc above. So we'll construct an arc up here. And keeping that point at A, down below, construct an arc there. Okay? And then using that same arc length, flip your compass over to B. So the point should now be at B. You're going to construct an arc that will intersect the one you just drew above. And I'm going to have to move it so that I can turn this thing. Put it back on B and construct an arc below. Move it out of the way. You should label your points of intersection. We're going to use P and Q in this example. So we'll call this one point P, this one point Q. And then we're going to draw a line PQ and label where AB and PQ intersect. And in this case, we'll use M. So watch what I mean by that. So using your straight edge, connect from P a line from P to Q. Again, mine is a little off, so I'm just going to adjust it so that it is on. Good. And we'll finish off the line by putting an arrow up top. Okay? So we have the line PQ, but now we have to label the point of intersection. That's what we have to do in all of our constructions. So I'll use the point M to show the intersection of these two lines. And if you measured, this point M would actually be the midpoint of the segment AB, and line PQ would be the bisector of it. And all four of these angles created would be 90 degrees. So that is the 5 constructions. At the end of doing this, you should make sure that you have all of the steps for each construction written down. Today you really learned 6. The 4th one had 2 parts. So there was really 5, but the 4th one was 2, so that's 6. And you're going to come in tomorrow and use your notes and your confidence to see if you can do all of these constructions on your own.